In my recent video, this Temu wedding dress was a flat-out disaster. So today, we're going to be testing if a hidden petticoat will save this dress and turn it into a designer gown. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my social media information down below in the description. I'm excited because I've read a lot of the comments and many of us came to an agreement, and the consensus was that we thought this would look amazing if it had an official petticoat. So I did just that. I went back on Temu and looked for a petticoat that I thought would fit this dress well. I'm hoping that it's not too long, that it won't show underneath this dress, but of course the only way to find out is to actually put it on. I feel like it's gonna feel almost impossible for me to put on this dress because the back is a lace-up, but that's okay. We'll leave the back open and just put on the petticoat underneath. The goal was to find a wedding dress that was super cheap and super affordable for those of us who need to stay on a budget for our wedding or just don't really care too much about spending a crap ton of money for our weddings. So if you are one of those people, the dress itself costed about $40. So with this hoop skirt, which also cost about $40, you are now looking at least an $80 wedding dress, which is still cheap, but not a $40 wedding dress like we initially entailed. Alright guys, so I'm here editing my video right now. This is future Lindsay, basically. And while I'm going onto Temu to take the screenshot so you guys can see the prices, they decided to have like a massive flash deal sale on this petticoat. So even though I spent like over $40 on this petticoat, it is now on sale for $13, which is so annoying, but I guess that just showcases to you how Temu does stuff and how it fluctuates with its deals. So if you need a petticoat, especially if you're somebody who does like a lot of like cosplaying or, you know, vintage style dressing up, then that will be perfect for you. Back to the video. I think we put this on, see what happens, see what it looks like, because I'm so excited. Let's see what's inside this box. And let me know what you guys think about this down below. If you've ever worn a petticoat before, or if you know anything about them. I've worn them for fashion shows before, but I don't know too much about them. This to me looks pretty small still, so I'm hoping that like it's just smushed up and it will expand when I open it, because to me this looks really small still. So it's very heavy, that's for sure. Sorry, I was not expecting that, but it definitely came out, so that's good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How does this, oh, other way. Oh, oh. This thing is massive, way bigger than I anticipated. Holy crap. Yeah, there's nothing we can do except for stand and put this on because this is massive. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, so this is what the dress looks like without the petticoat. I thought it would be good just to remind you guys what the dress looks like first so that we can see if it really does make any differences. It has the fun little, you know, twirl ability here. Yes. And it comes with a corset in the back, but I'm not doing that because honestly, it's just going to be way too hard for me to do it myself. If this was like a sleeveless, topless kind of vibe, then I'd be able to do it. But because of these sleeves, it's just like impossible to try and reach back there by myself. But I wanted to show you guys at least what the dress looks like without the petticoat, because now we're about to put it on and look at this monster. Holy moly. This is gonna be interesting. So I'm gonna put it on so we can see here. Okay, it's heavy, that's for sure. Fortunately, it has like a little tie here so I can tie it. This must be why those Victorian ladies helped each other get dressed, because oh, this is a lot by itself. Okay, come on, please. Please, because what's happening? Please work, dress. I had so much hope for you. There's no way this is gonna fit this petticoat. I'm gonna have to find a dress that does, because now I have this massive petticoat to do something with. But I don't think that this dress is wide enough. I'm still gonna see. No! Man, so I guess the petticoat is a no-go. I am disappointed. I mean, yeah, I guess for a petticoat this big, you need a lot of fabric. So I guess I'm gonna try and find a dress that can fit this. But this would be so much prettier if it had like a petticoat to go with it. I guess this one is just too big. I guess this one is just too big, but at least I know I have a good quality petticoat, okay? All I know what to do right now is spin. I'm at a loss for words. I'm at a loss for words. Okay, I tried to put on my glasses so I can really see if we can do something here, because like, this is just, no, it's horrible. It's horrible. To be honest with you, I think this would look good if it just fit, like if the actual petticoat fit. But I mean, the petticoat is clearly too big for us. I really wanted it to work. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really wanted it to work. I think it's just because this petticoat is so massive, it needs more material. But like, if the petticoat were smaller, do you guys think that it wouldn't have been this bad? I don't know. I'm like, I want to figure out what I can do with this dress, because it's not a bad dress at all. It's not like a horrible, horrible dress or anything like that. So I'm like, I want to figure out what I can do with this dress, but as you guys can see, the petticoat is just way too big. Tell me what you guys recommend, or if there's anything you guys want me to try specifically, because I would love to know. It's kind of hard to figure these things out alone, so let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I guess it's another bust again. Unless you guys have some recommendations on what you want to see me try to do with this dress, then there you go. But I'm gonna say that this failed. As far as the petticoat goes though, it is a pretty good quality petticoat for anybody who's looking for petticoats out there. So I'll make sure to leave the link for the petticoat if you're somebody who loves to use them at all. I think they're making a comeback, so bring it on. Bring on the volume. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up, because it gives me a whole lot of help as I build my channel, and the goal is to hit 100,000 followers, because I've always wanted to get the YouTube plaque. So please help me do that. Without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace on the streets.